Good morning, YouTubers. Sawmill Bell 70 here. I just wanted to give everyone an update on what's going on. I'm not going to be able to come out with any new videos for probably a week or so. I had to go in and have hand surgery on my thumb. Thumb surgery, I guess, if you want to call it that. Anyway, it's my thumb. I had what you call a trigger thumb, and it really was pretty painful, so I had to get it taken care of. And unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to do any outside work for at least a week, maybe two, at the most two. I'm sure it's not going to be more than that. But what I wanted to do was just kind of let everybody know what's going on. And by the way, the surgery went fine. Everything's good. It's just a recovery thing here. So, and I got to watch for infection and stuff. And I can use my thumb. I can use my hand. Everything's fine there. But I just got to be careful of tearing my stitches and infection. And that's a big thing with surgery, I guess. And so what I'm going to do is I have some videos that I took from late last winter and early this summer, before I got involved in my other projects, my summer projects. But I was working on my sawmill, giving it a facelift, making minor repairs on it. So I wanted to bring, I figured I could show you those. I think there might be 6 videos on that, I'm not sure. But, bring you along for that. I don't think, I know they haven't been released, so I'll use these to fill in kind of till I get back out cutting firewood again, and or cutting trees down, or splitting firewood, or whatever, but I just hope you enjoy. And I also wanted to comment on, there was a gentleman who was interested in the Harbor Freight trencher, and he said he'd like to see it in regular motion, not fast speed or anything. And that I have put that away for this year, but I will have it out next year, and I'll keep that in mind. And I guess he's considering on purchasing one, and I would encourage him to do so. I think they're a great investment. But I know as you've seen over this past summer, even how much I used it, and I could have never done all that with a pick and shovel, that's for sure. But so anyway, I just wanted to let everybody know what's going on, and enjoy the videos, and I will be back to you as soon as possible. I appreciate everybody following my channel and supporting my channel. I couldn't do this without anybody. I mean, everybody's been very supportive, and I've had great comments. So I'll just keep going on as much best I can. So anyway, everybody have a great day, and we'll see you when I get back to working outside again. But like I said, what you're going to see now is just working on the sawmill. So hope you enjoy. Take care. Until the next video. Okay, I'm hoping this picks this up. I'm putting this outrigger on. That's a 1. I may have put them in wrong. Yep. Oh, much easier when you do it the right way. That's why I don't gamble. If you have a 50-50 chance of winning, I always lose. So, not a good thing here. Let's see what happens here now. Okay, we got that one in, finally. Okay. Try the bottom one here, see how this goes. We got it. Yes, we do. Now this one I got to turn around. There's no problem. All right. These are 9/16. Let me get back to you. I gotta get set up, get the air gun. All right. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to see this or not. I'll try to get out of the way. Stay out of the way. I don't know. I can. But that'll be it for that one. Good. Okay. And that's it. That's a close-up of it. Best I can get it. It's you know, it's what she's going to look like. But anyway, that's going to be it for now. Okay, what I'm going to do here is take this plate and put it right over here and tack it on. I don't know if I'm going to weld it solid or just tack them on. I don't see any reason to weld them solid, but I'm going to take the sander and clean the edges up, get the paint off and the rust. So I'm going to get out of here. Okay, and here we go. We're gonna I think the corners are gonna have to be rounded after I tack it, so. Well, that's the first thing you learn in welding school is put your ground on. And that's after you turn the machine on. So anyway, I gotta find a good ground. Yeah. Well. Hopefully that'll do it. If I don't work on them threads and ruin them, but yeah. If you don't try, you're never gonna know. So here we go. I don't have the best of ground, that's for sure. But all right. Sorry to get in your way here, but that one's tacked on. You know, I had another one made here somewhere. Maybe not. Okay. Well, I'm hoping the other one that I had, I didn't put it in here. I don't know. I don't know what else to put it up to. Well, too late now. It's in there. All right, I'll get back to you. All right, here we go. Okay, gotta cut you. Okay, trying to get a ground on this. And I got one. Okay. And that there is what we call a hinge tack. You just tack it on one side and then you break it off and you hinge it. And then you can grind that little bit of wire off there that's left. Okay. Now what I'm doing here is I'm going to let the bottom not welded. That way, if there's any water that gets in there, it can drain out. But anyway, that's what we got here. I don't know if it's focusing. Alright, I don't think that's showing up real good because of the light behind it. Anyway, that's might show up better on this side, but that's what it looks like. Anyway, now I got this one to do, but I guess I gotta go cut some more plates, so I'll be back. Okay, what I'm gonna do here is, right here, I'm taking this stainless steel cover off of my bunk because I want to clean it, and then I'm gonna paint behind it, but then I'll put an end cap on. After I put the end cap on, then I'll paint it. But first things first, Never had these off, so this is the first time. Alright. I think I might have some new bolts I want to put in there anyway, but I'm not worried about damaging them. That's hard on the hands. Okay. These, by the way, these are 1/2 inch nuts. Okay, I see the other nut right here too. Yep, got it. Alright. There we go. There's the first look of my stainless steel protectors on my bunk. And they're in real good shape. That's what I like to see. And I got to mark which one it is, so I get too many things taken apart here, I'll lose track of stuff. So I'm going to mark it. I'll get back. Alright, and here's a close-up of that's what it looks like underneath that stainless steel piece. But real good shape. Everything's in good shape. So we'll get this end plate. I'll have to get one or get it watered on, and then I can proceed to clean it up and paint it, I guess. I'm going to do a little at a time on this as I go. I'm not going to try to paint it all at one time, so I don't think it's necessary, but I'm hoping like if overlapping that doesn't show up real bad on the paint when I do it. But anyway, if it does, it does, you know. It's a Sawmill. I just want to protect it and make it look a little better anyway. This is all original. So that's going to be it for now.